Oh my God. Jack, wait, look up there. Do you see that? Guys, you won't believe what we just found in the canopy.
I'm marking coordinates now. Send a team immediately. It's Emma.
Look at this. The car's up there. All right, secure the area. We're on it.
All right, it's going to be a tricky extraction. We'll start with rigging it from below.
Got it. Team is ready.
Yes, we're in. Ah! That's it, we're here. It's a complete mess, but the chassis looks solid. Keep moving, we need to clear this area quickly.
This goes here. Watch your footing.
Let's get the tent up. Ready with the straps, Emma?
You earned this coffee.
Definitely needed this break. Keep it steady. Watch the fenders.
Look at this massive block of rust, guys.
God, look at this mess. Whoa. There's no way we're getting this running. Not like this.
I can't believe it's working. Look at that.
Done. Check that out. It's beautiful.
Sandblasting is exhausting, but wait till you see what just arrived.
Jack uses a crowbar to pry open a large wooden crate marked Fragile minus Auto Parts. Wow, check this out. Brand new. Perfect for the build.
All right, framing looks good on these red calipers. Ready to roll.
Come on, you bastard. Ah, got it. There we go.
This thing is completely seized. It's going to take a bit to get it out.
Oh.
Give it a good tap. Don't be gentle. This engine needs a complete miracle, guys.
No more rust. It looks so clean now.
All right, looking much better now. Just need to make sure these cylinder walls are perfect. All right, easy does it. Rings are compressed.
Let's do that.
Got that close up, looks perfect.
Just need to seat it.
Focus is on the crankshaft, here we go. The heart is beating again.
It's 11 p.m. He just won't stop working.
Thanks, Emma.
Gotcha, Jack. Cheers.
To surviving another breakdown.
All right, these are perfect. Time to get them installed. Hold it steady, Emma.
Got it.
Just a little more.
Almost there. Yeah.
Just a little further.
She's a little Freddy. She's finally ready. Take a look at her.
Oh my God, this is really happening. Woo!
Keep that gun moving, steady passes. You got it. All right, that's the final coat. Looking absolutely perfect. All right. Slowly now. Don't want any scratches. Almost there. Just a little further. Yep. Easy, easy, easy. The marriage is complete. It fits perfectly.
Perfect leg day! Whee!
Almost done. Look at that shine. Wow, it's like glass. This is incredible. All right, coolant's in. Let's do this. Just like we practiced.
Turn in the key. Oh,
Fingers crossed.
oh my God, it worked.
Yes! Woo!
All right, locked and loaded.
Ready to fly. Woohoo! This is incredible! Yeah! We're flying through the jungle. This is epic. We literally pulled this out of a tree and
Brought it back to life. If you love this build,
hit that subscribe button.
If you love this build, hit that subscribe button.